The weather has been so quiet of late that it's been great weather to take it all in. What you don't want is too much rain, which we've actually had the exact opposite of, and you don't want temperatures that are too extreme, both on the warm side or too much of the cold side. And you don't want too much wind that could blow all those leaves off the trees. Wind actually will likely be a factor next week, but this weekend winds should be relatively calm, a bit breezy at times. We're starting to see more daylight. This is looking off towards the west, our Freihoffer Skycam in Schenectady. So the Helderbergs are right here. More sun in the distance, more clouds further off towards the east. A front came through last night, so if you wake up and the ground's wet, that's the reason. It was generally just light showers that are continuing to pull away. Behind this front, high pressure is moving on in, and that will set us up for a spectacular weekend. The next weather maker is this front, which is actually quite strong. That comes through tomorrow night into Monday, and that will usher in a much cooler air mass. In fact, the coolest of the season thus far. We'll get to that momentarily. Wanted to touch on this system, which actually isn't a tropical storm quite yet. 80% chance of tropical development over the next several days, and it has its eyes once again on the Florida coast. This time's a little bit further south than where Helene hit. But right now, the Tampa area could be in play for a pretty significant storm. This could potentially become a hurricane when it makes landfall Wednesday to Thursday timeframe. And again, consensus is quite high. These are all the possible models that track the hurricane, showing it likely making potential landfall in that Wednesday to Thursday timeframe. So we'll keep you posted on that. For now, we're talking temperatures that are ranging from, 38 degrees in Saranac Lake to 60 in Poughkeepsie, where you've had the clear skies, you're cooler. Where you've had the cloudier skies, you're a bit milder this morning, but we all get the clear skies the rest of the day, and temperatures range from the upper 60s to low 70s. So it's a mix of sun and clouds, but definitely more sun than there will be clouds during the day today. Tonight with clear skies, ideal radiational cooling, so that sets us up for a really cool night, low to mid 40s, and what will be likely the coolest night so far this season. Tomorrow, we'll bounce back real quick with a whole lot of sun before high clouds increase, and that's in advance of that cold front, which will usher in the much cooler air mass to start next week. So tomorrow, bright start, showers by night. Some of those showers could contain downpours, and even a rumble of thunder is possible, although any sort of severe storms would be weakening if any do develop off towards our west. So no severe threat locally. Monday, sun and clouds and breezy. We're on the cooler side. Spotty shower possible north and west, 63 to 68. But it's not until Tuesday that the coolest of the air gets overhead. So by Tuesday, we struggle to get out of the upper 50s, and with the breeze, it feels quite cool outside. Still a good amount of sun. Off over the mountains, there may be a spotty shower off towards the north and west. So into next week, we are cooling on down. It's 50s to 60s by day, 30s to 40s widespread by night in what will really be our first sustained taste of fall taking place throughout much of next week. This afternoon, upper 60s to low 70s, mostly sunny and comfortable with a slight breeze around. Tonight, upper 30s to low to mid 40s, mostly clear and cool. Could be a little bit of patchy fog developing late. A lot of sun to start tomorrow, more clouds late day, but we're dry throughout the daylight hours until tomorrow night after around 10 o'clock. Some showers, some downpours, and even a rumble of thunder is possible with that cold front. That ushers in a dry week, but a gusty one and a much cooler one. Look at Wednesday and Thursday, high near 60, low near 40.